why your insurance claim was denied and how to fix it. Imagine this. You've been paying for insurance in Austria every single month. You finally need it. You submit your claim and you get this message. Your claim has been denied. No explanation, no payout, just rejection. Now here's the truth most people don't realize. In most cases, claims in Austria are not denied because you're not covered. They're denied because of how you filed them. And today, I'll show you exactly why your insurance claim was denied in Austria and how to fix it. Let's address the biggest misconception. Most people believe, if I have insurance, I'm protected. But in Austria, insurance doesn't work like that. It's not automatic, it's conditional. Especially if you're an expat navigating the Austrian system, a worker relying on OGK or private insurance, or someone who has never filed a claim before. Here's the reality. Insurance companies don't just pay claims, they evaluate claims. And if your claim doesn't meet their standards, your claim gets denied. This is why so many people experience insurance claim denied situations, even when they think they did everything right. Let me be direct. When your claim gets denied, the consequences are real. You don't just lose money, you lose financial protection, time spent chasing the claim, and confidence in your insurance. I've seen people in Austria lose thousands of euros because of small, avoidable mistakes. And the worst part? Most of these claims could have been approved. So what's really going on? Why are claims denied? Here's the core truth. Insurance is a documentation and communication system, not a trust system. Let me break it down. Most people submit claims like this: late reporting, missing details, weak or no evidence, emotional explanations instead of factual ones. But insurers assess claims like this: is the timeline clear? Is the evidence strong? Is the documentation consistent? Does the story match the policy terms? And when there's a mismatch, the claim gets denied. That's the real reason behind most insurance claim denied Austria cases. Now here's the part that matters. How do you fix this? Let me give you a simple, practical framework. Step 1. Understand why it was denied. Before you react emotionally, read the denial reason carefully. Every rejection has a cause. Usually, missing documents, late reporting, policy exclusions, inconsistent information. You cannot fix what you don't understand. Step 2. Strengthen your documentation. This is where most people fail. You need to upgrade your proof. That means clear photos, supporting documents, receipts, medical reports if relevant. Ask yourself, if someone questioned this claim, could I prove it clearly? If not, strengthen it. Step 3. Correct and resubmit. Here's what many people don't know. A denied claim is not always final. In Austria, you can often clarify, add documents, resubmit. But this time, do it properly, structured, clear, complete. Step 4. Communicate professionally. Avoid emotional reactions. Instead, communicate like this: clear, direct, evidence-based. Bad approach: this is unfair, you must pay. Strong approach: I am providing additional documentation to support the claim submitted on date. Professional communication changes outcomes. Step 5. Act fast. Timing matters. Delays weaken your position. The faster you respond, the stronger your case becomes. Let me give you a real example. A worker in Austria filed a claim for device damage under household insurance. It got denied. Why? No receipt, no clear proof of ownership, late reporting. Now here's what they did next. They found proof of purchase, provided photos, clarified the timeline, and resubmitted professionally. Result? Claim approved. Same situation, same insurance, different outcome. Because they fixed the real problem: documentation and communication. Here's a powerful pro tip. Don't file a claim like a customer, file it like a case. Think like this: what proof do I have? Is my timeline clear? Is my story consistent? Because once your claim is denied, the burden of proof is on you. And if your case is weak, it's very hard to recover. So remember this: if your insurance claim was denied in Austria, it's usually not the insurance, it's the way the claim was handled. Fix that, and you can turn rejection into approval. If you want to understand how insurance really works in Austria and avoid costly mistakes like this, subscribe to Austria Insurance Compass. We simplify insurance in Austria, so you don't lose money when it matters most.